this is giving me. I'm not wearing this during spring vibe. No, hell, I'm not wearing this in the spring. I'm not wearing. You can wear it somewhat, nighttime a little bit, but other than that, this is a close encounter. You're going out camping. You're gonna roast some marshmallows, and you want to smell like that wood, and then you're gonna hit yourself with it. Like, hey girl, can you go get hey baby girl, can you go grab the marshmallows out of the bag? And she's looking for the marshmallows you pull out of your pocket quick. Hey, what's that smell? Oh, it's just me. It's just me. Yeah, because you're gonna have to be cuddling.